Welcome to the quick tutorial for converting the Raw RTMAP38 data into XYZ format using the RTM38 software. To start, open the RTM38 software by either double-clicking a desktop icon or by typing RTM38 into the search box in the lower left of your screen. Open your raw RTMap file, which will be listed as .t38 or similar, into the RTM38 software by going to File, Open File, and direct to the file location. Once the data has been read into the processing software package, the screen will show details of your raw file. The heading will be your file name, and beneath this, the date the file was created. In this case, raw38.tm8 is your heading, and beneath this is the date the file was created. On the left-hand side of the screen is your logger start and end time, and beneath this the data file contents, the number of EM38 readings and number of GPS positions. In this case, 13,722 EM38 readings were recorded and 13,693 GPS positions were recorded. This indicates to the user that there is data presently stored in this file. For most applications, you will need to convert the raw data file into XYZ format in order to map your electromagnetic data for further analysis. To accomplish this, go to Position Readings using the RTMAP38 data files. Click Output XYZ file and rename this in an accessible location. I will name this file as 38XYZ_VD. VD is to denote the vertical dipole coil orientation. Click Save. Please ensure that geodetic is selected under the output coordinates WGS84, as it is best practice to export the coordinates as latitude and longitude data format. This allows the user to transform the readings to an appropriate local transformation using CAD or GIS software packages or the UK Ordnance Survey Inquest program. Under the EM38 MK2 data, make sure the vertical or both is selected because this is the vertical dipole coil orientation. And please ensure that the GSA message is disabled, as you will receive an error message if this is left unchecked, because only a GGA sentence is being output by the GNSS receiver. You can now click Proceed. After generating your XYZ file, you may have noticed that you're missing some of the tracked data points. This may also be indicated by an error message. To resolve this issue, you can change some of the parameters in the lower left of the positional reading screen, as these act as filters to the data. These are the GPS time gap, GPS minimum interval, p.mask, and corrections. Ensure that your file is read in. I will overwrite the 38VD file and initially try changing the GPS time gap to a larger number. For example, I will try 300 seconds. This fills the gap if this GPS signal was missed or lost due to an obstruction such as overshadowing trees or high-rise buildings, and acts as a smoothing filter to your data. Georgian data is selected and click Proceed. If the error persists or you still have missing data points, change the p.mask to 9. And revert the GPS time gap back to 5. It's original. Make sure the file is read in. And click Proceed. Finally, you can try changing the correction section from differential GPS to raw GPS. Make sure you change it back to the original v.mask and output the XYZ file back in. Click Proceed. You can now see that your XYZ file is fully populated with data. It should be fully generated and populated with grey and red dots. The grey dots are associated with the GPS positions and the red dots associated with your EM data points. You can also export the horizontal dipole measurement, which is saved within the same raw data acquisition file. To do this, select both horizontal within the top right EM38 data box and remain, and all parameters remain the same. You save it as HD for horizontal dipole and click Proceed. You can now navigate to the generated XYZ file on your computer and open it in Notepad to see how the data is separated. I will open the 38VD file. As you can see, the longitude, latitude, amongst other parameters, are listed in text tab delimited format. This is the end of the tutorial for converting the raw RTMAP38 files into XYZ format. For further advice on converting the RTMAP61 and 31 files, please see our website. Thank you for watching.